Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered why homemade juices are a cut above the rest? Let's dive into it. First up, homemade juices are packed with natural vitamins and minerals that store-bought options just can't match. No preservatives, no artificial flavors, just pure, fresh goodness. Let's talk about some amazing juice options you can whip up at home. Carrot ginger juice is a fantastic immunity booster. Loaded with vitamin A and antioxidants, it's your go-to for staying strong and healthy. Next, beetroot juice. It's amazing for improving blood circulation. Rich in nitrates, it helps boost your stamina and energy levels. And who can forget green juice? Blend kale, spinach, and cucumber for a detoxifying power drink. It's great for flushing out toxins and keeping your body in tip-top shape. Feeling a bit under the weather? Orange juice is packed with vitamin C, a must-have for a strong immune system. For heart health, pomegranate juice is your best friend. Full of antioxidants, it helps maintain healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. And last but not least, watermelon juice. It's incredibly hydrating and perfect for those hot summer days. Now, how often should you enjoy these delicious juices? Aim for once or twice a week per juice for balanced nutrition. Making these juices at home is super easy and so worth it for your health. Just grab those fresh ingredients, blend, and enjoy. So, go ahead and make homemade juices a part of your daily routine. Your body will thank you. Remember, stay healthy and refreshed. Catch you in the next video.